Good morning, students. Standard 5, Term 1, English. Unit 2, Supplementary, The Farmer and His Daughters. This is a story about a wealthy farmer who distributed his wealth to among 3 daughters. But before distributing the wealth, he wanted to know the capability of all the 3 daughters. Now let's move on to the lesson, The Farmer and His Daughters. In the village of Manipuram, there lived a wealthy farmer. He had 3 daughters. All his daughters were married and living their life happily. Here wealthy means rich. Then the farmer was getting old and he wanted to distribute his wealth to his daughters. Here the word distribute means give a share to his daughters, but before giving the wealth, the farmer wanted to know the ability of 3 daughters. So he called and gave each of them a bag of millet. Here the word millet means a small seeds from a plant that can be eaten, and ask them to use those millet in best way and then return back after 1 year. As their father ordered, the 3 daughters returned back after 1 year to the father's house. Next, the father called the second daughter and asked the same question. The second daughter replied, "Father, those grains for community food service because I felt that it was sacred so that everyone can have it." And this para, the word sacred means holy. And the word community means food service, prepare and deliver food people, those who need. Next, the farmer asked the third daughter about the grains. She told father, "I don't have those grains with me now. I need 2 bullocks and men to get the grains." Father was confused and asked her, "Why do you need bullocks and men to bring the grains? As I gave you a bag of grains which you can carry it yourself." Then the daughter smiled and said, "I sowed those grains and now it has grown as crops. So I need a bullock cart and men to harvest and bring back the grains." Students, here the word bullock means young male cow. And the harvest means process or yield of gathering crops. So father was happy to know that the third daughter used the grain wisely. Here the word wisely means cleverly. So the father understood that the third daughter was an active person to give the responsibility to the field. He also distributed the other wealth equally to the other 2 daughters. Finally, the farmer has chosen the right and intelligent person to look after his field. So, dear students, what did you learn from this story? Do you know who is the wisely of all? Yes, it is a third daughter. The same like third daughter, we also should work hard wisely. Now see the glossary of this. Distribute, give a share, responsibility, power. Millet, a cereal grown in warm countries. Sacred, holy. harvest, yield, wisely, cleverly. The Roman letter A, you see, match the actions with the pictures. The first picture you see, she feeds the birds. The second picture is, she is mixing into the community food for service. The third picture, she sows the grains. Now we will match it. Mixes for community food services. See, the second picture you have to match it. And the sows the grain. She is sowing the grain. You match here. Feeds the birds. Third one, feeds the birds. You match, this is the feed, she feeds the birds. You match it here. And the B Roman letter, fill in the blanks. The first one you see. The farmer had dash daughters. See here, which one will come? Feeds 3 or millet. You see, farmer had how many daughters? 3 daughters. So, 3 is the answer. Write 3. The second one you see, he offered dash to his daughters. So what the 3 daughters father offered? Millet. So millet is the answer. You write on the dash millet. M-I-L-L-E-T, millet. The third one you see, the second daughter dash the millet to a flock of birds. So feeds. So feeds is the answer. You write on the dash. F-E-E-D-S. So dear students, Roman letter A and Roman letter B and the Roman letter C. Study and write in your book and in your note. Thank you.